Okay, welcome to Domain 3 Cloud Technology and Services. Like Tony Stark in his lab, you're about to learn how to turn raw materials into a powerful system. Each AWS service you learn adds a new part to your armor, from compute and storage to AI and analytics. By the end, you'll see how to build, operate, and fly your own cloud suite of innovation. Let's get started. So think of the AWS Management Console as your HUD, a visual cockpit where you see and control everything. When you need automation, your CLI and SDK step in like robotic arms in Stark's lab. Infrastructure as code is the blueprint system, your Jarvis writing repeatable scripts to build environments instantly. And you can deploy in the cloud, on-premise, or hybrid, whichever battlefield your mission requires. So when you look back at Iron Man in the cave, Stark didn't survive by chance. He built everything with precision and speed. He automated what he could with the tools at hand. That's exactly what AWS Infrastructure as Code does. Builds consistency, scalability, and control under pressure. Your infrastructure as code is the Arc reactor powering every rebuild, efficient, repeatable, and unstoppable.